Okay, testing 1, 2, 3, recording on this screen. So today I'm investigating how to use the AWS CLI on a Mac. So I'm starting from scratch and just investigating everything here. So we've got the installation instructions here, and we've got command line installer or the GUI installer here. So let's have a look at that. Doesn't look too hard. Let's have a look. So let's just open up a terminal and see where this takes us. So if I just bring the terminal over here, so we've got a few curl commands. So let's try in order. Here, so let's just see how we get on. So let's copy the first command. Do we need sudo? So let's have a look. Looking good. Wanting the password. So it is a sudo. So installing at the base path. So that's all in one. So so what install was successful? So just let's have a look at that. That was package to that point, and then also it ran the sudo installer. So that was both of those commands in a oneer. So that's done 1 and 2, and that's been successful. So to verify the shell, use the following commands: which AWS. So let's try that. And that's looking good. And let's try the version, AWS version. Let's just see what version it comes up with. AWS 2.15.6, Python 3.11.6, Darwin that, prompt off. And that's it. That wasn't too hard. Lovely. That's what I like to see. Thank you very much.